Now let's focus on a powerful feature that's on this same line of code. Notice we're using the less than operator directly as a dictionary value. This demonstrates how Python can store calculated Boolean results directly in your data structures. The lesser than operator performs a comparison and evaluates to either true or false. So abs, with W position in its parentheses being less than 50, doesn't just check a condition, it produces a Boolean value that gets stored in our dictionary. We're storing computed data, not just static data. Instead of calculating visibility somewhere else and then storing the result, we're doing the calculation right in the dictionary assignment. The comparison happens once and the Boolean result gets preserved. This is incredibly powerful because it means our cross-section dictionary contains both raw measurements and computed properties. We're storing not just what the W position is, but whether the entity is visible based on that position. Other comparison operators work the same way. Greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to with the two equal signs, or not equal to with the exclamation mark and the equal sign, all evaluate to Boolean values that can be stored directly. This pattern appears throughout scientific computing, storing both measurements and the calculated properties derived from those measurements. Your cross-section data becomes intelligent, containing not just the raw W position, but the computed visibility status that other parts of your program can use immediately.